Hello, I am going to quickly, under 1 minute, show you how to access our forms and how to upload a file to print in the Imaging Center. To find our information, you're going to go to mail.collegeforcreativestudies.edu. You're going to sign in using your institution username and password. You're going to toggle to this window right here that says Let's Print in the IC. It's going to open up a new window. You can find out about all of our services right here. We've got drop-down menus that give you all of the information. If you are going to be uploading a laser print, so I'm going to print a 4x6 image of my nephew Connor. I'm going to log in using my username and password. It's going to open up the form. And then you are going to see you have this information. So you can change your first name if you wanted to. You can please put your accurate CCIS ID and your cell phone number so that we can contact you back if there are any issues. You can list your department. If there's not one listed, you can just create a department by selecting other. Is this print job for a sponsor project or studio? If yes, you pull down your sponsor project from this menu. If no, select no. What kind of paper are you planning to use? Imaging Center paper. I want to print on 12x18 because I want a picture of Connor on the insulation pink. Here you are going to drag and drop a file. I already have one ready. Drag and drop. It's going to upload. The limit size is 134. You need to know your actual image size. So this is a 4x6 image. Single-sided. We'll bring down the paper options menu. I wanted this on insulation pink, 80-pound cover. Pages in your PDF file are, I only have one. How many copies? I want 5. It gives you a subtotal. Crop marks, yes or no. If I wanted to print the same image of Connor on the same sheet of 12x18 paper, I wanted 4. I could write other here and say I want 4 total takeaways. But in this case, I just want it in the center of the page. So I'm going to hit no thanks, and I'm not tiling. Finishing options are here. I don't have any finishing options, so I'm going to write no finishing options required. If you were printing a process book, you could bind into a book with plastic foil or wire. That would open up further options. I'm going to select no, and then I'm going to hit submit. If your job submits correctly, it will give you a green bar at the top of the page once it's finished uploading. Depending on how big your file size and your internet connection, it could take an extra 30 seconds. Your response was successfully submitted. Thank you. After that, you will receive an email from our student worker, which they will tell you the price and the time that you can pick up your file. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you.